Hey yo, what up? What up, fam? I'm back again with another one. So in this one, I'd like to introduce you to this AI violin from A Studio. So basically, this is how it works. So as you can see, I've already started like with the project. So this is how the stock plugin violin sounds like. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take this MIDI and then I'm going to import it into A Studio, and then we're just going to listen to how it sounds. So this is how the violin sounds like on the stock plugin. Let me check. Yeah, in Morphine, this is how it sounds. So this is how the stock plugin sounds. So let's export this and then let's import it into A Studio. There you go, here, file, and then export. So I've already exported the file, so let's just click save. Then let's head to A Studio. So this is their interface. So basically what you do is, if you have like opened their app, this is like a standalone. They also have like an app where you can load it in FL, and then you can record some MIDIs and stuff. So after opening their standalone app, this is what you see. You see on this is it left side? As you can see, the AI is still in beta. So this is the violin which we're going to be using. Now let me right click on that empty space and then let's import our MIDI. So let's locate our MIDI. Let's apply tempo. As you can see, it did apply like our tempo, which is 112. This is how the violin sounds like. Let me just play this. As you just heard, the articulation, the sound, amazing. Everything is on point. So more updates will be coming around this month and next month. As you just heard, the articulation and everything is fine, but updates like expression control, like vibratos and etc., will be coming around June, July, around there. So this sounds dope, man. This sounds dope. So let's just export this and then let's send it to FL so that we can listen it with our project. Let's just export it as an audio. Let's just type V there and then let's just press save. So by the way, guys, they will be working on expanding their AI bowstrings, like what do you call this? I'm not sure about all the bowstrings, but violins and all the stuff. So you must stay tuned for future updates. So let's turn off our VST, our stock plugin. So let's preview this. Let's see if I add like reverb and stuff. Let me just add reverb because it sounds dry, and then some delay. This sounds amazing, guys. We just widen it. I like how it expresses those notes. So that was the end of the video, guys. So do check the link in the description if you want to get this. There'll be like a link in the description. So yeah, it's a boy signing out. Catch you on another one. Danko.